Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. I've got some more Constitutional Silver I picked up today. Got it for another great deal, and a pretty good assortment as well. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, as you know, I've been getting them a lot in the pill bottles and just different containers, which is fine. I actually gave this guy back a lot of his containers. And it looks like I'm getting the same ones back again. I'm pretty sure I gave him this back. Anyway, let's see what we got here. This first tube, first roll. It's a roll of $50. I believe it's 5 Franklins and the rest are Walking Liberties. So yeah, those are pretty nice. And that's a pretty nice Franklin right there, huh? 1952, great year. Very nice. Should we slap it under the coin cam for a minute? Why not? Let me change my filter here. So yeah, of course the coin cam pulls out all the imperfection on it, but that's okay. We know that this is circulated money. It spent some time banging around people's pockets, and it shows it. But overall, that thing's in pretty nice shape, right? Pretty good. I like it. Alright, so let's go back. Take a look at what else we got. So there's a roll of halves. And then we also got a roll of Roosevelts. I'm going to hold off on those for a minute. And then over here, we got a 20 quarters and then an additional 20 dimes. So you put them all in the same pull out of here. So we have 20 quarters here. It's awesome. 20 quarters. I need to move my camera. I'm off the screen. Look at that. Okay, that's better. Push these in a little bit. And then, so I've got a total of 70 dimes here. And this last batch had 18 Mercurys, 2 Roosevelts, and then also a roll of Rosies here. So, yeah, nice little collection, huh? Let's spread these out a little bit. Make it look a little better. I don't like them all being in a row like that. I like them just kind of in a pile. We got some nice Mercs. So yeah, pretty nice assortment, huh? So yeah, another good purchase. I love the assortment. I'm trying to get more quarters. I keep asking for quarters, but I don't think he has too many. He does get me some once in a while. But anyway, I'll take what I can get, because let me tell you what I paid for this batch. So there's a total of 15.72 ounces of silver in here, and I picked it up for $12.72 per ounce. So over 15 ounces for $12.72 per ounce, and at the time I bought it, it was $2.30 an ounce below spot. So what do you think about that? This guy has continued to give me great deals, and let me tell you something. I've been a pretty good customer. But as you know, he still could be getting more for it from other people, I'm sure. I'm sure if he offered it at a spot, people would be lining up to buy it. And to give it to me for $2.30 an ounce below spot, I mean, just a fantastic deal. And let me say, I really appreciate it. Now, I don't believe this guy watches YouTube and knows that I do videos on it. I mean, that's one of the reasons why I like to buy it, because it gives me some great content. And I know a lot of you guys like watching it. And I know a lot of people that watch my channel enjoy seeing the Constitutional Silver as well. But it works out. It's a win-win. You know, he gets money for it, and usually pretty quick. He's able to turn it around very fast when he contacts me, and I get it for a great deal. So obviously I'm pretty happy with this purchase. But he's kind of set the bar kind of high, or let's say low. Because now when he reaches out to me, I mean, if he's selling it to me for $12.70, $12.80 an ounce, how am I ever going to pay $13.50 or $14 for it again, which would be a fantastic deal. So I would imagine sometime, sooner or later, we're going to come to a point where we don't agree on what to pay for it. But for now, I'm just taking it for as low as I can get it, and he, again, I think he appreciates me buying it and the quick turnaround, and he doesn't have to sit on it. So that's pretty cool. It works out for both of us, I think. I mean, I have to believe that he's making money and doing fine, otherwise he wouldn't be selling it so cheap. So I've told the story in the past about, who this guy is and what I know about him, which isn't much, but where he says he gets it from. So that video's out there. If you want to go back and check some of my earlier constitutional videos, I've got the story in there. But I'm pretty happy, and I thought you guys would enjoy watching it too. So that's it for now. If you haven't subscribed, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And also, click that notification bell so that you're notified when I put out another video. And go ahead and check out these 2 videos that just popped up as well. I got some great content out there, and I think you'll enjoy them. Always remember, let's keep talking bullion.